Hello friends, today we start in a practical session. The first practical is in engineering graphics. Construct any engineering curve by any method. Hmm. There is on the third chapter engineering curve, right? The problem on first problem is to draw an ellipse by concentric circle method with the major axis and minor axis equal to 120 mm and 80 mm respectively. Hmm. There is two things are given. One is a major axis and another is a minor axis. The major axis is 120 mm and minor axis is 80 mm. First draw the horizontal lines. This is major axis is horizontal, the dimension is 120 mm. Take the distance in the line and draw horizontal line. Then draw vertical line is CD is equal to 80 mm. Then we draw the 80 mm line. Hmm. The dimension is AB is equal to 120 mm and CD is equal to 80 mm, and CD is equal to 80 mm. The dimension is, our horizontal dimension is a 120, means from center to either side the A to B is 120 mm, and this center midpoint to up 40 and down 40, up C point and down D point. CD is 80 mm. Now we draw circle, the concentric circle. The diameter is 120 mm, means the radius is 60 mm. Draw the radius, take a radius in compass 60 mm, and we draw the circle. The center is O, and draw the circle from AB point, right? AB is the diameter of this circle, right? AB is the diameter of this circle. Hmm. This is the major axis. Major axis is a horizontal axis, and again we draw the minor axis. Diameter is 80 mm. Take radius is in compass 40 mm, and draw the circle from O as a center, and from CD is its diameter. The radius is 40 mm. Okay. Now this circle is, the outer circle is 120 mm diameter. This circle is divided into equal 12 parts, equal 12 angle. Then taking the radius is in compass 60 mm. The pointer is on A and mark on this both side. Then pointer is on C and mark on the both side of the outer circle. Then pointer is on, means radius is B and center is B, and mark on both side. Center is a D and mark on this both side. We get 12 points, means the circle is divided into equal 12 parts. Then these points are joined by lines. Then already we have 4 points, and by marking system take remaining 8 points, right? This we join this line. Each angle is a 30 degree. This total angle is 360. Okay. Now we now the name is this style: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 10, 11, 12. The outer circle is this. The inner circle is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and 12 dash. The naming is in this style, right? Again क्या करेंगे, then we draw from this outer circle line point is 1 2 3 up to 12. Draw parallel to this CD line from point number 1 to draw this CD line parallel. We draw this line को parallel line draw करेंगे. Yes, from 5 से parallel down, 4 से down, again from 2 से down line, 1 down. This line is a parallel to this minor axis, means this CD line, right? From 11 down, up, 10 up, means these lines are parallel to this vertical axis. From 3 and 9 there is already we have these lines, from 8 and also from 7. Okay, this style, this is a major axis AB को पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे from 1 dash, 2 dash and these lines are intersect, 4 dash, also 5 dash, again from 7 dash to parallel draw from 10 dash and 11 dash, and we get up the intersection points, this P1, 1 1 dash intersection, 2 2 dash intersection point P2. This 3 point is already we have 3 P3, then 4 4 dash P4, 5 5 dash intersection point P5, 6 already as 7 7 dash P7, 8 8 dash P8. This 9 is as 10 10 dash P point, 11 11 dash P11 and 12. There is 12 points on this these two circle, concentric circle, and from this 12 point draw smooth curve by freehand. Okay, from we draw this in this style, 11 12 1 2 3. First draw faint line and then dark line. This is our ellipse. The ellipse is concentric circle method, right? We draw the smooth curve by concentric circle method. The process is again, first draw horizontal line, then vertical line. Horizontal line is a major axis, the dimension is given 120 mm, and minor axis is CD is given 80 mm. Then draw two circles, the center is the same O as the center, the radius is in compass 60 mm and draw the circle. Again the radius is in compass 40 and draw the circle. Then first we draw these two circles, then the circle is divided into equal 12 parts by compass. The naming is 1 2 3 up to 12, and inner naming is 1 dash 2 dash up to 12. Then draw vertical line, horizontal lines, and the intersection point P1 P2 P3, and then draw the curves. Okay, the second problem on this is on the problem is draw an Archimedean spiral of diameter 120 mm for one revolution. Draw an Archimedean spiral of diameter 120 mm for one revolution. First draw horizontal lines, then draw vertical lines. The angle is 90 degree. In this diameter is given 120 mm, means the radius is a 60 mm. The question is draw an Archimedean spiral of diameter 120 mm for one revolution. First draw horizontal lines, then draw vertical lines. The both angle is 90 mm, 90 degree. Draw the circle of diameter 120 mm. Take radius is in compass 60 mm and center is O. Draw the circle. The center is O. The circle diameter is 120 means the radius is 60. This circle is divided into equal 12 parts. Our circle 4 point using draw the arcs on circle circumference and we get these 12 points, right? We take this 12 point in this style. And join these lines. This 11 10 4 line, 11 5 line, then 10 2 8 2 line, 1 7 line, join by from this point and center point. Now the naming is on this circle. This is point 1, first quadrant, first point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and last point is 12. Now this 12 O to 12 line, this O to 12 line is divided into equal 12 parts. Our radius is 60 mm. We take is divided into equal 12 parts. This type is point. This radius line is divided into equal 12 parts. The 1 2 3 naming in this type, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and this last point is 12. From these points the radius is in compass O to 1. The center is O and this one, an arc from this line to the one line. Same radius is in compass O to 2. The radius is in compass O to 2 and mark on this 2 line. Then same in this style, the radius is in compass O to 3 and mark up to the curve, draw up to this 3 line. Now again radius is in compass and naming is O1, this O22, O2, O23, mark point O3 point. Right? Now radius is in compass O24. Radius is in compass O24 and draw the arc up to this 4 10 to 4 line and this intersection point is O4. Then a radius is in compass O25 and draw the arc up to this 11 5 line. Then O26 is a radius is compass and draw arc up to 612 line. Now the naming is O4 is 4 line, is 5 line, O5 the naming, and this line the point is name is O6. Right. Now the radius is in compass O27 and draw the arc 17 line and the point is O7. Now the radius is in compass O28, center is O and draw the arc up to this 8 line. Now the radius is in compass O29 and draw this arc up to 9 line. Now radius is in compass O to 10 and draw the arc. Now the radius is in compass O to 11 and draw the arc from this point to this 11 line. And the naming is in this style: O6 given O7, O8, O9, O10, O11, O12 is already is given. This point O, O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6, O7, O8, O9, O10, O11 and O12. Draw the smooth arc from O to O1 is O1 to O2. First draw the faint arc by free hand and then draw this smooth curve. This is our Archimedean spiral. This is our Archimedean spiral. This is our first practical. Thank you.